Hey, it's Brenda here. I thought you might enjoy this little quiz on how much do you know about using digital marketing to grow your business. Now, have you wondered if you know just even the basic stuff? Well, now you can find out. And let me first start by saying that digital marketing can seem overwhelming, but it doesn't need to be. There are three key strategies to grow your business. Number one is the content marketing, which is creating valuable content to attract and engage your audience. Number two is social media marketing. That's using platforms like Facebook or Instagram or TikTok to reach your customers, and there are others as well. And then there is search engine optimization, which is SEO. And that's optimizing your website so that it can show up higher in the search engine results. Okay, so those are the three key strategies. And what we're going to do now is we'll start with the first multiple choice question. And for that, it is, what is the primary goal of digital marketing? Is it A, to increase social media likes? Is it B, to convert leads into customers? Is it C, to design a fancy website? Or is it D, to make viral videos? Which one do you think? Well, let's find out. If you thought that it was B, you would be correct, because it is important that the leads are converted into customers. Without that, then you don't have the customers, do you? So that's a primary goal of digital marketing in the first place. Okay, so let's go on to the next multiple choice question. Which of these is a key component of digital marketing? Is it A, billboard advertising? Is it B, search engine optimization, SEO? Is it C, cold calling? Or is it D, print media? What do you think? Well, let's see what we get. If you thought it was B, well, you were right. Search engine optimization. You know, we've touched on that a little bit before. It is so important, SEO, because it helps businesses to appear higher in search engine results. And then that's going to increase the visibility online, which of course is what everyone is trying to achieve. Okay, so now we're going to go on to the this or that question. Okay, for a new business with a limited budget, which should you prioritize? A, paid advertising, or B, organic content marketing? What do you think? Well, let's see what we get. B, organic content marketing. Now that's something it's cost effective, and it helps build long-term relationships with your audience, which is super important. Okay, let's go on to another this or that question. For building an online presence, which is generally more effective? Is it social media marketing, or is it Yellow Pages listing? That should be an easy one. And if you chose that it was A, social media marketing, well, you would be right. It's almost a freebie, really, because it allows businesses to engage directly with their audience and build brand awareness. Okay, so now we're going to mix it up a little bit and do some true and false questions. Okay, true or false? Email marketing is dead and no longer effective in digital marketing. But what do you think about that? That's an interesting question, because when you think of email marketing, people think, oh, that's so old school. But let's see what we get. Well, email marketing, there we go. It's false. Email marketing is still one of the highest converting forms of digital marketing. It absolutely is. And it's something that you definitely want to be utilizing. Let's go on to the next false or true question. Okay, you need to be on every social media platform to succeed in digital marketing. Well, is that true? True or false? Well, let's see what we get. Okay, it's false. Focus on platforms where your target audience is most active. Quality engagement beats quantity. Like, for example, I am a Gen X, okay, an older one. And I know from some research that I've done that Facebook is, that's the place where most Gen Xers, where they hang out at for social media, as opposed to, let's say, YouTube or Twitter or TikTok, that kind of thing. You have to do research to find out where your target audience is. And for me, Gen Xers, it's Facebook. That's what I found out. Okay, so there are 8 key takeaways on how to use digital marketing to grow your business. Number 1, you got to know your audience. Number 2, you got to create valuable content. Number 3, you want to choose the right platforms, which we just talked about a little bit. Number 4, you want to use email marketing effectively. Number 5, you want to optimize for search engines. That's the SEO that I mentioned earlier. Number 6, you want to leverage video content. Number 7, you want to consider automation tools, which of course today saves a lot of time. And number 8, you want to monitor and adjust your strategy. So digital marketing is about connecting with your audience and providing value. So you want to start with these basics and then continually learn and adapt as you grow. And finally, if you are interested in expanding your knowledge, I recommend considering the Legacy Builders program to both learn and earn at the same time. And that's because you're going to learn how to use digital marketing to get leads. Remember, you need to get the leads because leads can lead to customers. And then B, you want to learn how to use social media for your business, because you know that's the big thing today, social media. That's where the customers are. 3, get the tools and knowledge to earn $900 per day. With the Legacy Builders program, you can also learn how to earn $900 a day. Is that going to help you out in some way? It might be a good idea to take a look at. D, get your ready-to-go online business website. That's also given to you in the Legacy Builders program, so you don't have to worry about that. So learning digital marketing takes time, and effort. It does, okay? I'm not going to tell you that it doesn't, but it's a valuable skill for you to know, especially in today's business world. And that's mostly where your customers are going to be hanging out anyway, like I mentioned earlier. And also remember that success in digital marketing, that comes from continuous learning. You're always learning. It never stops. So I hope you like to learn. You want to stay updated with trends. There's always trends. They're always changing. You got to keep up with them. You must. And understanding your audience's needs. And in the Legacy Builders program, it offers continuous learning. It's going to keep you up to date with the latest online marketing trends, and you're also going to learn how to recognize the needs of your audience. That's like a whole thing. So if you found this video helpful and you would like to get more information, go to passiveincomewithdigitalproducts.com, and you'll find the link in the description box below the video. And also subscribe for more, content. And leave a comment I'd like to know, why are you interested in learning how to do digital marketing? Are you, is it for your own business? Are you starting a business, or are you working at a company and they're wanting you now to know how to do digital marketing because these days companies want you to wear all hats and know how to do everything? So I was just curious, just wondering. Okay, thanks for watching.